Hi, hello everyone. Well, we're here, Downing Street. See the PM for the Global Entrepreneur Program. Got Alan, one of the deal makers here, and we're just walking up. We've got a whole group of Global Entrepreneur Program companies here today. Outstanding companies who want to make their base out of the UK. Everything from AI to fintech to blockchain to cryptocurrencies, and they're all committed to the United Kingdom with the help of the Global Entrepreneur Program. So we're about to go into Downing Street, introduce them to the Prime Minister, no less, on behalf of the program. You can see us walking up over there. And I have to say, it's quite exciting when you're doing that. There'll be a whole load of people, of course, outside just taking pictures in front of the famous doors. There you go. But we're going to tweet this along, and we'll introduce you to some of those companies on Twitter and through the Global Entrepreneur Program website as well. Let's do the obligatory selfie over there. There we go. Right, here we go for the Global Entrepreneur Program, number 10, with some of the worldwide companies that we've brought to the UK for their headquarters to help them go global from around the world. Let's go in, shall we? Sorry. If they let us in.